Exam stress management strategies during COVID-19.
आपको बता दें कि वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी अब से कुछ देर बाद दिल्ली के तालकटोरा स्टेडियम में परीक्षा चर्चा प्रोग्राम के दौरान तालिबा से बातचीत करेंगे। परीक्षा चर्चा का ये 5वां एडिशन है। इस एडिशन की खास बात यह है कि मुल्क के तमाम गवर्नर राजभवन में तालिबा और असातिज़ा के साथ परीक्षा प्रोग्राम में शिरकत करेंगे।
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी being greeted by the education minister
वजीर तालीम धर्मेंद्र प्रधान के मुताबिक ये प्रोग्राम उन ममालिक के सफारत खानों में दिखाया जाएगा जहां हिंदुस्तानी लोग बड़ी तादाद में रहते हैं। ये प्रोग्राम मरकजी आला तालीमी इदारों में भी मुनाकिद किया जाएगा।
Really on children, and here in the foyer we see this exhibition that कोविड विजय ये मॉडल है जिसके जरिए हम देख रहे हैं कि कैसे हमारे देश में कोविड से विजय पाई गई। एकता में आनंद, लोकल फॉर वोकल, ये कुछ थीम्स हैं जिन पर यहाँ पर हम काम देख सकते हैं। और ये हैं रुचिका कुमारी JNB कपूरथला से, जो कोविड पर विजय के बारे में बता रही हैं। और माँ का इंतजार वो एक और माँ का इंतजार वो एक और स्टैचू है यहाँ पर।
Actually, when 2014, I was in class 4. Since then, I wanted to talk to PM Modi. Like, I'm his biggest fan. So, when we will be interacting regarding examination, yes, the way he every year organizes Pariksha pe Charcha. This year also, I have got the opportunity to talk to him, to interact actually. It was a dream coming true for me. So, yes, I'm eager. This year, I'm having my boards, class 12th, and I'm excited because last year, in class 11th it was a pandemic time, but still I tried my best and scored good.
हम बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं उनके, वो बहुत अच्छे से एडमिनिस्टर करते हैं हम लोग के नेशन को। तो सोचते हैं कि परीक्षा पे हम लोग का समाधान करें, हम लोग का जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो हम लोग का सुलझाएं प्रॉब्लम, और फिर भाई हम लोग बोर्ड्स देने वाले हैं, देखते हैं।
जो टिप्स देंगे हमारे पीएम, जो आपको सजेशन देंगे, आपको लगता है कि उसका फायदा होगा?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैं देखता हूँ कि इसमें भी देखा हूँ।
It will be very beneficial as he is a great personality of our country and many people look forward to him as a role model, and when he says something we really take it very seriously, and that really encourages every one of us.
आपको बता दें कि गुज़श्ता परीक्षा चर्चा का ये 5वां एडिशन है। इस एडिशन की खास बात यह है कि मुल्क के तमाम
खेलते खेलते बच्चे खेल खेल में ही रिश्तों के बारे में, दुनिया के बारे में, जीवन के बारे में बहुत सी बातें सीख जाते हैं। महात्मा गांधी से प्रेरित होकर बच्चे अपने जीवन में उनके आदर्शों को लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और ये है स्वच्छता पर बच्चों का ध्यान। रिया विश्वकर्मा KV जमुना कॉलियरी MP से हैं, जो बच्चों को ट्रेडिशनल पेंटिंग्स के बारे में बता रही हैं। ये मधुबनी पेंटिंग्स हैं, तरह तरह की चित्रकलाएं हैं जो हमारे देश की पारंपरिक कलाओं का हिस्सा है, और जिसे बच्चे बनाकर हमारी पारंपरिक कलाओं के बारे में सीखते हैं। Namami Gange, a very important project of the Honorable Prime Minister to clean our rivers, especially the river Ganga. Azadi Ka Mahotsav, a celebration of 75 years of India's independence and a celebration of the great heroes who guard our borders. And this painting, Indian Heroes, shows heroes of the pandemic, the doctors, the healthcare workers, media personnel, and the various other people who remained active despite all the dangers of the pandemic. Every canvas is a journey all on its own. A picture, they say, is a poem without words. And these are some of the fine works we are seeing of the students of various schools from across the country. Shubham Maji is showing his watercolors. He's from KV Jamtara, Jharkhand. Art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. And through these watercolors, we see the expression of students of KV schools, Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, and Navodaya schools. These are various projects that children is an autonomous body under the Department of Education that imparts non-formal education to children between the ages of 5 and 16. The idea here is to encourage children to think creatively, to be imaginative through activities which are entertaining. And we are seeing some of the creativity of the children of Bal Bhavan here. Expression through colors, monochrome, but beautiful nonetheless. Papier-mâché art is being shown here. By using simple everyday things, one can create objects of great beauty. This is P. Nitish Kumar, who is explaining to the Honorable Prime Minister the works of art from various Kendriya Vidyalayas. All children need is just a little bit of encouragement, just a bit of guidance, and they come into their own. The themes here include the need to be more eco-friendly and green. And there is a painting of the Honorable Prime Minister himself. These were some of the themes that were given to children. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Clean India, Green India, digital collaboration in classrooms, and environmental conservation and climate change resilience. The children have expressed these themes in various ways using different materials, watercolors, oils, clay, to express how they see these themes. And these are the sisters Nandita and Nivedita from KV Kottayam. They teach Vedic maths. After having mastering Vedic maths themselves, they teach the magic of Vedic maths to their fellow students so that they can overcome the fear of maths. These two sisters took online free tuitions, but for certain sessions they requested the students to donate money to PM Cares, and close to 15,000 rupees were raised by them. So the children, while learning maths, also learnt about social responsibility. They learnt about contributing their bit in service of the nation. And this is Easy Health, an innovative device Harsh Vajpayee of KV1 Rewa, Madhya Pradesh has developed it. It senses two parameters, temperature and pulse, and updates it to a Wi-Fi database every 15 seconds. Doctors get alerted of abnormalities by email and phone call. The two sisters have something